These AI tools aren't just nice to have, they're total must-haves if you want to save time and stay competitive. They've helped me reclaim over 10 hours each week, allowing me to focus on what really matters. If you're ready to level up and make your work life a whole lot easier, stick with me. We're about to dive into the tools that have totally transformed my game, and I promise they'll do the same for you. The first tool I'm going to share is ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity tool that I rely on every day. Whether I'm juggling work projects or organizing personal tasks, it's my go-to for keeping everything on track. What really makes ClickUp stand out for me are its AI features. They help streamline my workflow by automating repetitive tasks, predicting project timelines, and even suggesting next steps. It's like having a little extra help that keeps things moving smoothly. ClickUp's task automations are a huge time saver. I can set up recurring tasks or automate my content calendar, which frees me up to focus on more important things. ClickUp just makes it easier to stay organized and productive, and it's been a game changer in how I manage my day-to-day tasks. They have a free forever plan that you can get started today. Next up is Elevenlabs. Elevenlabs is an incredibly powerful AI tool
that has taken voice synthesis to the next level.
One of the key features that sets it apart is its extensive library of AI voices. Whether you need a warm, engaging tone
or a crisp, authoritative voice,
Elevenlabs offers a wide range of options to fit any project.
The voice cloning feature is a standout, allowing you to create a digital replica of yours or any voice. This means you can generate high-quality voiceovers in minutes without needing to spend hours recording and editing. It's especially useful when you want to maintain consistency across projects or need to produce content at scale. Elevenlabs provides the flexibility to craft the perfect audio experience. With a wide range of customization options, you can adjust stability, similarity, and style to ensure the final product is exactly how you envisioned. Their free plan is great for getting started, but there are options to match all needs. I personally use the creator plan at $22 monthly, which is perfect for my more extensive projects. If you're handling even bigger workloads, the Pro plan offers 500,000 characters and advanced features that are well worth the investment. By the way, the voice you're hearing right now is actually my AI cloned voice generated with Elevenlabs, proof of just how realistic and versatile this tool can be. Next on the list is CapCut. I genuinely enjoy working with this tool. Whether I'm putting together a quick clip for social media or editing a longer video for YouTube, CapCut always delivers. CapCut offers a variety of transitions, effects, and filters that can elevate your videos to a professional level with minimal effort. The app's intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate, even if you're new to video editing. CapCut is also the best app I've found for speech-to-text, with plenty of templates and highly accurate captions. It makes adding subtitles to videos quick and easy, which is a huge time saver. What's even better is that you can create and edit incredible videos anywhere, whether you're on your desktop, using a browser, or on your iPhone. CapCut's flexibility makes it super convenient to produce professional content, no matter where you are. The free version covers most of the basic needs, but if you're looking to dive deeper into editing with pro tools, the $10 monthly subscription is a small price to pay for such a powerful and versatile tool. Before we dive into the next tools, I'd love to know, are you already using any of these? Drop a comment and let me know your favorites. If you're curious to try them out, you'll find all the links down in the description. And just so you know, we're proud to partner with the last 3 tools I mentioned. By using our links, you'll be supporting the channel and helping us create more content like this. Let's talk about ChatGPT. If there's one tool I use almost every day, it's this one. ChatGPT is like having a creative partner who's always ready to jump in and help. Whether I'm brainstorming content ideas, refining copy, or even just looking for a quick recipe. It's the kind of tool that makes me wonder how I ever managed without it. What I love most about ChatGPT is how versatile it is. Need a fresh perspective on a project? Done. Want to review some copy for a campaign? Easy. It's like having an endless well of creativity and insight at my fingertips. For anyone who needs a little help with creative tasks, ChatGPT is a must-have. Last but definitely not least is Canva. I started using Canva back in college, and even then it was a game changer for my projects. It made designing so much easier compared to the hours I used to spend on PowerPoint. Over the years, Canva has continued to improve, adding new features and capabilities that have made it an essential tool throughout my entire career. What continues to impress me about Canva is its extensive library of templates and design elements, making it feel like you have a design team at your disposal. The AI-powered magic tools, like the background remover, streamline the design process and save valuable time, allowing me to focus on the creative aspects. Canva's intuitive interface is another standout feature. Even when I'm pressed for time, I can quickly find what I need and get my work done efficiently. The Pro plan has proven invaluable, offering extra storage and advanced features like the brand kit, but even the free version provides robust functionality. Canva has consistently supported my workflow, helping me bring ideas to life, whether it's crafting a quick social media post or designing a comprehensive presentation. With the power of AI, creating high-quality content has never been easier. Sure, there's still some work involved, but these tools make it so much more manageable. They take the busy work off your plate, freeing up hours so you can focus on what truly matters, delivering your unique value to the world. The best part? Each of these tools offers free versions, and even the paid plans are totally worth it for the boost they bring to your workflow. I'm thrilled to share these with you because they've made such a difference in my work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and check out the links in the description to try these tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.